In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Canva website analytics. If you've published a website with Canva, there's a quick way to see how many people are visiting it and where they're coming from. I'll walk you through the basic analytics that Canva provides and share a few tips to make sure you're looking in the right place. First, open your browser and go to canva.com, then log into your account. Make sure you're using the same account where your website was created and published. If you manage multiple Canva accounts, double-check that you're in the correct one so your site appears. Next, open your website project. You're looking for the specific Canva design that you published as a website. If you have a lot of designs, it can help to use the search bar or look for the site's title you used when publishing. When you open the design, you should be in the editor where you can see your website pages. Now, look along the top of the editor for an option labeled Analytics. Depending on your layout, this may appear in the top menu near other publishing or website options. If you see it, click it. Canva will then display a panel or page with your website's basic performance stats. Here's what you can expect to see. Visits show the number of times people loaded your site, giving you a sense of overall traffic. Page views indicate how many pages were viewed across those visits, which helps you understand depth of engagement. Sources tell you where visitors came from, such as direct visits, social platforms, or search, so you can tell which channels are bringing people in. Countries reveal the geographic locations of your audience, which can be useful for tailoring your content or posting schedule. A couple of quick tips as you look at the data. If you recently published your site, it can take a little time before numbers appear. Also, remember that these are basic, high-level stats designed for a simple overview rather than detailed user behavior tracking. It's important to note that the analytics option may only be available on Canva Pro, Teams, or other paid plans. Many free accounts do not show website analytics inside the editor, so if you don't see the analytics button at the top, your plan might not include it, or you might be viewing a design type that isn't published as a website yet. That's all there is to it. Open Canva and log in, open your published website project, and check the top menu for analytics to view your visits, page views, sources, and countries. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly understand how your Canva website is performing.